everyone, today I would like to show you how to create this table and this registration using HTML and CSS. So first of all, I would like to create this table using HTML and CSS. So let's get started. So first of all, I will create the vector HTML file. And then I will create CSS file, extra CSS file to correct HTML structure. Oh, first I will write HTML and then I will choose HTML file so that I don't need to write the basic HTML structure. It will automatically appear on the screen. So this top and you will see the type HTML. Take the browser that we are using HTML5 and it ensures our Go run is better across different browsers. And next is HTML. What is the root element the entire page or the content structure of our page are nested inside the tag and the head section. We include the metadata about the web page. This metadata is not visible on the page, but it's essential for its functionality and styling. And another thing is this is define the character encoding for the document, and it's ensuring the it's for a wide range of character, ensuring the tag like symbols with shared character display correctly. And another is section is made the page responsive. It adjusts the layout for different screen sizes such as phone, tablet, and desktop. And title, we can change the title as we want. And it will appear on the browser text. I will give this style table like this. Okay, body. Before the body section, I will create link. Sorry, red. I will get style. Let's say style sheet. I will connect with my HTML file. Like I will table table.css. So that I can decorate my HTML file. Okay. So in the body section, in the body section, inside we write the visible content of the web page. In this case, we add we will add the table element or display data. Table, I will write table. And then I will write data. Right here, and this element group that header control the table is contain a row defined by the tier and colon header defined by th. And this row header is table header is for the id, and then this is for name. And then this is for age. Okay, now I will write the body. I will write the body element, and this element group the main content of the table. Inside it we use tr. Inside we use tr to define rules data, and I will write dd. It represents the individual data set in the table. for like this is for ID. Side to say, this is for name Peter. This is for age 22. See, I have to write again. D. Sorry, to write again. Sorry. Okay. TR. TR and D. This is for ID. True. And this is for ID. Its name is her name is Lisa. And the license for age is 25. Okay. I have to write it again here. Side the TD this for ID. This is for name Lee Tony. HT is nice. HT. So this is for the HTML visit HTML table structure. So if we run this code, it will just show the HTML table, which is not decorated with CSS. So it will only show this. So I have to go to the table.css to decorate my HTML file. Okay, let's start with the body slider in the CSS. The body element style in the entire web page. Here's what it probably looks like. I would like to show you. I will write family, font family, area. I will show this. And in this case, I will use only these two. This set the font for the entire page. Area is the primary font and sensory is a backup font. In case area is unbelievable. This gives the data a clean and modern look. And then I will write background color. And background color is called EREZ7FF. So this change the background color of the plate to light blue. This color code create a calm, visually pleasing background. And then I will write display. If I will write display like flash. This enable flashbar is CSS or more that make it easy to align and standard element on the page. And then I will write justify content. Uh, this this standard is the table horizontal within the page, and then justify item go center. And this center also is the table particularly within the page. So height This means that this the height of the body to 100% of the viewport height, ensuring the device stays under no matter the screen size. And where right margin is 0. This remove any default margin around the body, giving us a clean layout. So this body is finished and I will go to there. Leave a slider, okay? I will write border, colors, and separate. This ensure there is space between the set. If we use colors, the borders will match together. I will write border space there. Sorry, I wrong. This code is this might be a line item. Okay. And then I will write for spacing 5 pH. This for spacing uh, as a 5 pixel gap between set to create a visually appealing way layout. And then I will write with like auto. This makes the device automatically adjust its Y based on its content. And then I will write border 3 pH solid and black. This is a full black border around the entire device. And then I will go to the DH and D section and device header and dataset. The provide in this property were applying to both. So I will write borders 1 pH solid black solid black. This is 18 black border around each cell. So and then I will write tag align center. This center the tag inside each cell and padding. Padding I will put 10 pH. The space inside the cell making the content easier to read and font size 60 pH. This is a read label font size for the device content and background color. Background color I will put white. Right. This set the background color of the set to white for contrast against the blue background. Finally, we apply additional style to the header set. Almost finished. So background color I will put black. This gives the headers a full black background to differentiate them for the data set. And then I will right color. White. White. Yes, white. This made the text in the header white for better readability against the black background. And another thing is font weight. Font weight is bold. This ensures the header does stand out by making it bold. And this is finished. So I will say the file. And then I will run the code whether it's work or not. We will see that. Okay, this is all. So and here is the final result. It clean style, TV with header and data row display clearly. The design response and look professional. Yeah, this is the result. So there I finished exercise 3.5 and I am going to do exercise 3.6. Now I would like to do exercise 3.6 registration page. So let's get started. First of all, I will create a HTML file given the name registration.html, and then I will also create registration.css to connect with HTML file. Okay. Okay, first I will type HTML. Oh, sorry, I have to go to the HTML. Okay, HTML, and then I will choose HTML file. Okay, and the title I will put the title like registration. Okay, and I will connect the link to the registration with the registration raw CSS. Okay, when reference is like style sheet, and then connect with the CSS file. Registration CSS. Okay. Next, I will create a div class called container in the body. Okay. This is the outermost part that's under the registration form on the screen. Inside it, I will create div class name registration form. Okay. Which contain the left and right section of the form. Okay. And then next I will create div class with the last section. Okay, last section. This section includes the file heading registration. Heading registration, so I increase the name h2 registration. Okay. And it will include the radio button for selecting the user type admin or user. So for import and this for libre. This is for radio button. So I will type the name radio button. For the radio button, I will choose input type radio, and then I will give the name user name username and value. This is for admin. Okay, so I will will guess the main and main like this. Okay, so then I will like here. So I will this is for user. So label and input type is radio. Name is user type. Value value is user. This is for user. I will put the name user. So I use the input tag with the type radio attribute right inside label dashboard data accessibility. So the name is for the right section. So I will use the class name right section. Okay. Which will contain the Azure form fee and buttons. So I will use the form and I will add that. So inside the form, I will put three info file for username, password, and re-enter password using the input type. So I will write uh, leave. Okay. Leave for this is for username. So I will get the name username, and then I will write input type. Input type is hash. I will get the ID like username, and then name is username. This is require to free, so I will I will write the require. Okay. Another is for password, so I will write label for password. This for password. And then I will write input type is the test and ID is the password. Name is also the password. I will use like that, and this is also require to free. Okay. Another thing is enter password. So I also like writing label for the uh, password. It is it. I will write the name re-enter re-enter password. Okay. This is also input type. This is over input type. So this is hash and id. Here I will get like repasser, and name is also repasser, and this is also require. Okay, wait, this is finished for this type. Okay, and at the end of the form, I will create the div class. Div class border. Then we go for to to group the register and result border. So I will choose border Pi is submit. Okay. I will give the class. So I will give the name. The class is register. Go this is for register folder. Okay. And the name is for the reserve button. So I will write button type reset. Class name is like so that I will give the name class is reset. So this for reset button. So I will write reset. Okay, this is for the HTML form. Okay, so I will run the code. So this will only show this HTML, but I haven't using CSS yet, so I will write CSS to do like this. Okay. First of all, I will start the body tag. So body, I will that the font family is area. I will use only this. In case area is not available, so that is will fall into sensory. Okay. And margin, I will put 0 and padding is also 0. I will put in there. Background color. So this score is going F4, F4, F9. So I style the body and try to say like background color, remove any default margin and padding, and use the area font family. Okay. Then I will style the container class. So I will write the container and display is flash. To center the font horizontally and vertically, I will use justify container center is the align item is also to the center and height is the 100 ph and background color is also this. Okay. So I style the container class to center the font horizontally and vertically on the base. I use flat route. Probably slide display flash. Just define contact line item center. I also set the height of the container to 100 VH, which means it stay at the full height of the browser window. Styling the registration form. Okay. Next, I will style the registration form. So registration form. This for the registration form. So display is also flash. And for I will sell 1 ph solid and color is C6. Okay. And then I will write border radius 10 with like 10 ph. And then overflow here. And y, if y under ph, I will get like that. Background color. Okay. I start the registration from class. I use Flashbulb to arrange the left to right and right section side by side, and I also add border. I also add the border around the corner and white color to make the font stand out. So let's go to the left section. So I will get the background color just digit 003366 uh with the blue color. Okay, and I will get the tag color like white color. Okay, then I will write padding to 20 ph to create some space around the text and review border. Place make it like one. Okay. Uh, display is I will write that display is flash. Family flash. Okay. Flash. First direction is the column. Or like this. Then I will go it to the center. So I will just even go there to the center. Align item is also not center. Flash that. Okay. For the last session, I set a blue background color with white text. I use flower again to I use flower again to align the content vertically. I also add the padding to create some space around the text and rear border. Okay. Next, let's go to the right section. Not right section, or also left section. Okay, this is the last section for header. Okay, so I will write margin 0020. Oh, sorry, 20 ph 0. So this ensure the H2 element has no margin except for a 20% space below the top is 0, right 0, bottom 20 ph plus 0. Yes, like that. So it's finished. So let's go to the right section. Let's go to the right section. I did the right CDIO1 section. So I will write flash 2 and padding is 20 ph. So for the right section, I set padding to create space around the font feet. I use flash to make this session dry as well as the last session. So finish. So let's go to the form. So this for the form section. So I will write display display flash. So this make the file element is flash container. And then I will write flash direction to column. So this change the direction of flash item to step particularly one below the other. So this is for the font search ladder. So the name is for the lever. So I will start the lever like okay, margin border. Margin border. I will type 5. It means that I want to add space between the lever and input file and font weight. Font weight is 4. It means that to make the table for better readability. Okay. Okay, we are going to import import type for type touch. This is for touch. Also I forgot something. Okay, import import type equal. This is for password. Okay, I will write margin border or 50 ph to add space between import file and padding is 10 ph. To create space inside the import box for better user experience and border 1 ph and solid and color is to get the import 18 gray border. This is for yeah. Another thing is white. White I will bold import white is 100%. Okay. Uh to make the import take the full while is container. Okay. So this is uh this margin border distribute ensure there is consistent spacing between each import fee. Padding 10 ph provide space inside the import box, making it easier to type. And border 1 ph solid as a subtab border for the migration. Okay. I also forgot one thing to write for this border real 5 ph. To run the edge on the board to make it visually appearing. and white 100%, and it ensures the input fine straight to fit the white or the font container. Okay, let's go to the border. Okay, I will die display. Well, I display like flash and do line button in a horizontal row, and I will also write cap is 10 bh to add space between the button. So this this flash play the button side by side, and this get 10 basic introduce space between the button to avoid crowding. Okay, almost finished. So let's go to the button. Okay, I will write padding and 10 pieces, 20 pieces. And do a space inside the bottom for a larger play area. And right border. And this means that I want to remove the default bottom border and border radius. Border radius is 5 pixels. Do wrong the corner for a smooth appearance. And the color is I will set the white color. Okay. Cursor is pointer. Do change the cursor to a pointer. One hover it over the border. Okay. Font size. Font size is 60% to make the button tell less readable. So buttons are designed to be user friendly with sufficient button time percent 20%. And border is remove the default browser border for a cleaner look. Border radius and this border radius 5% make the bottom visually appealing by softening the edge and color ensure that remain readable against color background. And this color point provide visual cue that the bottom is clear and the font size and ensure that text size is appropriate for readability. Okay, another is for the bottom register. I mean, yes, yeah, sure, register. I will set the background color. Green is called. I will write the code to a 745. This is the green background for the register font, register button. I mean, okay, button door register. Okay, we put the background color red. I will write the code. It's 3, 5, 4, 5. Okay, this is the red color background for the reset button. So each button has a unique background color to distinguish to show its. So each button has a unique background color to show its purpose. The register button use green green to indicate a positive action. The red the reset button use a red to signal caution when clearing the form. Okay, the next is the rest. The last is button hover. where where I velocity 0.9. Okay, the hover effect it trigger when the user move their cursor over a button, and velocity 0.9 slightly dents the button, providing residual effect to enhance interactivity. So this is all finished. So I want to say this part. Okay. So I will run the code. Okay, it's now finished. So thank you for watching.